Now we're gonna go off first run right here, off-road nights, Perris. It's a pretty cool deal they got going out here. I got to go out with these mini monster trucks, and they can't really see on either side. They can only see in front of them, and they do have radio communication. So I just told them, hey, I'm just gonna go like NASCAR on the outside because I haven't been on the course yet. General Manager Rudy Lugo was just over saying, hey, you know, let's save it for the third show, brother. And I was like, hey, no drifting? You can't drift right now? He's like, can we just save it for the third show, and then I don't mind if you rip out the back axle? And I'm like, all right, that's not a problem. So it's been a fun morning so far getting out here, but it's definitely worth the ride. Rat has been totally supportive, letting us in the back gate because we got out here late, and I just can't wait to get out here with these mini monster trucks and maybe put a tire up on one of them.